Hello, my name is Chacha Chen, and in this video, I will talk about our recent work, machine explanations and human understanding. We are all aware that machine learning models have achieved impressive performance, but in the meantime, their black box nature can be problematic. That's where machine explanations come in. Explanations are hypothesized to improve human understanding of machine learning models. However, previous empirical studies have found mixed and even conflicting results. As a positive example, the line paper found that explanations can help model developers debug machine learning models. In contrast, a recent paper did not find positive utility of explanations. Instead, they found that human plus AI cannot outperform AI alone even with explanations. To understand this result, there are two crucial questions we need to address. First off, how do we define human understanding? And second, how can we develop a framework to determine in which way explanations can improve human understanding? In our paper, we aim to address these two fundamental questions. We start by an extensive literature survey. We selected papers with human studies that quantitatively assess the impact of explanations on human understanding. With this criteria, we identified more than 30 papers from major AI conferences. For a complete survey, I encourage you to check out our Table 2 in the paper or the associated GitHub link with QR code provided here. From our literature review, we identified three core concepts of human understanding. This figure is an illustration of the three core concepts using a binary classification problem. First, there is task decision boundary, which is represented by the dashed line in the figure and corresponds to the ground truth levels. And next, we have the model decision boundary, which is represented by the solid line and corresponds to model predictions. And finally, there's the model error, which is the highlighted area where the model makes a wrong prediction. From our literature review, our key finding is that existing quantitative measures of human understanding can map to one of these three core concepts. And this slide shows how we can group existing studies into three core concepts based on what they measured in their human studies. Again, for a complete list of literature, I encourage you to check out paper. From here, we proposed a formal framework of human understanding and machine explanations. We use causal diagrams to discuss on different conditions how explanation can or cannot help improve human understanding. This framework allows us to have a rigorous formal discussion of how explanations interact with human understanding. Please check our paper for more details on this framework. In the highest level from this framework, our key finding is that human intuitions are necessary for effective machine explanations. Without making assumptions about human intuitions, explanations can only improve human understanding of model decision boundary, but not task decision boundary or model error. Therefore, effective explanation must align with human intuition in a certain way, especially in AI-assisted decision-making. For the third part, we designed human studies to demonstrate how our framework can inform the analysis of human-AI interaction. We illustrate a possible way to incorporate human intuitions in the experiment designed to discuss possible situations and mechanisms in which explanation can be beneficial. Please check our paper for more details regarding experiments. In summary, our work has three contributions. First, we start by identifying three core concepts of human understanding, and then we proposed a formal framework to discuss machine explanations and human understanding. And our key finding from the formal framework is that human intuitions is important. Finally, in our human studies, we showcase an application of our formal framework. The experiment provides a possible way to incorporate human intuition for effective machine explanations. This work is a joint effort with Feng, Amit, Sharma, and Chenhao. For more information, please refer to our paper and feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you so much for listening.